Hi guys, Alex here. Now you know what? Many people has been bombarding me and asking me, hey Alex, how do you actually invest in good stocks? How do you actually pick up good stocks, able to actually invest safely and generate good sustainable income? Well, let me share with you. Actually, there's no secret, okay? Because there's something that I actually use throughout my investment journey. I actually invest based on a proven and systematic framework, which I call it the 3R model. And today I'd love to actually share this 3R model with you. So what is this 3R model? Okay, listen carefully and write it down. Okay, the first R is called right business model, and the second R is right management, and of course the third R is called right valuation versus price. Okay, so for the first R, right, we want to actually look at a company's entire business model, right? Can it actually sustain for more than 10 years? Why? Because only when a company can actually make money and can last for 10 years, then only your investment can not only just make money, can make for sustainable profit for yourself. And you want to see whether this company has a unique competitive advantage against their peers, right? This is the first stage, which is very, very important because it will determine, right, the company's development potential for the next 10 years. Next, we will actually discuss with regards to the company's management. And this is the part where majority of our investors don't even bother take a look into it. Every company, right, definitely has a team of people operating the business, right? And so it's important to see who is the people running the business. Will they actually protect our money? Will they actually grow our money? And to see whether their interest is actually aligned with our interest as an investor, right? So this is the second thing that's very, very important. The third part, okay, which is the right valuation versus price, right? We need to actually assess the company's performance. We not only look into the company's financial report in the past 1 to 2 years, but instead we want to look at the company's performance for the past 5 to 10 years, right? See whether they have a sustainable and consistent track record, right? To actually see whether they have been making more and more profit, cash flow, and whether they have been giving you good dividends. And of course, last but not least, based on the business management and of course the track record, we need to actually determine what's the value, right? And only buy it when it's under value, right? So I hope that you can actually learn something within this 1 to 2 minutes of my short video. Of course, if you want to learn more, right, I would love to share much more in depth. In fact, this 8-step checklist, right, for me to actually execute all the 3R that I just mentioned to you. I would love to actually welcome all of you to actually join me in this 2 hours workshop so that you can actually invest safely, at the same time generate good consistent results for yourself, right? So click on the link right now and register for my free 2 hours workshop to kickstart your investment journey to generate passive income safely and consistently. Okay, I'll see you in the workshop. Bye.